Hi, thanks for joining me. So it's Lynette here and it's day number 13. So unfortunately I had already started to open my advent calendar on day number 13 and I had to go and do something else and my editing skills are rubbish, so I thought I would just come back on and show you. So day number 13 was quite a big box. It was there, and when I opened it up, it's the number 7 instant results and it's a hydrogel eye mask. So I really do enjoy an eye mask, and what I tend to do is keep them in the fridge, so it kind of acts as an eye mask, which is great, but it also helps if you've got any kind of puffiness. So yeah, I always keep them in the fridge. They always feel so cooling and refreshing as well. So day number 13, I hadn't opened this one, so I don't know what's in here. Day number 13. There we go. Day number 13. What is it? What is it? What is it? Ah, it's an eye mask. Oh. It's a silky eye mask. There you go. So these probably be great if you were on the plane, wouldn't they? And you can't sleep. It's really soft. I do have an eye mask, but it's really uncomfortable. So this one's lovely and soft. So yeah, both my products are for the eyes today. Would you believe that? So yeah, I'm pleased with that, and I'm pleased with the eye mask. I don't need plastic for it. So yeah, lovely soft eye mask and an eye mask. Anyway, thank you for watching and I'll speak to you soon. Bye guys.